Hare Krishna. I'll be reading a story named How Does an Elephant Look Like, which displays the qualities of regard for teacher or obedience. Once upon a time, there was a kind and dedicated teacher named Govind. He ran a small school in the village of Ramwada. Among his students, there were 6 boys who were unfortunately blind. However, they were intelligent and very eager to learn, and Govind took special classes for them. In one lesson, Govind described the elephant. He spoke about the large grey animal with a long trunk and sharp tusk, which roamed in the jungles of Kerala. He elaborated in detail about how elephants enjoyed sporting in the water and ate large amounts of fruits and leaves daily. As they were hearing more and more about the elephant, the boys sat up straighter with excitement. One of them said, "Sir, this elephant seems to be wonderful. We want to feel it with our own hands. Then we will be able to understand it better." So Govind took the boys to a nearby circus. The circus had a gentle old elephant named Gulab Kali. The boys eagerly crowded around her. Gulab Kali lovingly would wound her trunk around the boy standing near her nose. "Oh," he explained in surprise, "the elephant is just like a slippery snake." Hearing this, the excited boys rushed with their hands outstretched to feel the elephant for themselves. The second boy gently rubbed Gulab Kali's stomach. "Oh, what are you talking? The elephant is just like a rough wall." The third boy grabbed Gulab Kali's leg. "You both are wrong. The elephant is just like a smooth pillar," he argued. One boy's hands seemed to feel something large, which was actually the elephant's ears. "No, no, the elephant is just like a large hand fan," he claimed. The fifth boy grasped the elephant's smooth, pointed tusks. "Ouch! The elephant is just like a sharp spear," he cried while rubbing his hand. The sixth boy stood behind Gulab Kali. He ran his hands along the elephant's wiry tail. "You all are mistaken. The elephant is just like a long rope," he declared. "No, no, it's like a pillar." "Of course not. It's like a large fan." "Not at all. The elephant is like a rough wall." Their voices kept getting louder. "Of course not. The elephant is not like that at all." The boys started seriously arguing with each other. Govind smiled, looking at his squabbling boys. "Shh," he said. "Calm down, sit down, and take a deep breath," as they squatted on the soft grass. All your answers are correct, but only partly correct. Each one of you is saying what you think is right. Yet, it is true that the elephant's nose is like a long slippery snake, and her ear is like a huge hand fan. The stomach does feel like a rough wall. The elephant looks how you all have described. While we share our ideas, it is also good to consider the other person's ideas. By doing this, we often get more ideas. The same problem can be looked at it in many different ways. Even grown-up kids sometimes behave like little children. They argue about who God is and what he looks like. God is just like a light, some would say, and that he is everywhere, while others say that God is only in our hearts. The fact is that God is within all these things, and there is more explanation about God. But we need a guru, an expert teacher, to tell us more about him. Govind stopped after he said this short speech. One boy went close to him and lightly touched his arm. "Just as you are telling us the truth about this elephant, because you can see him as he is." Govind, and the boys smiled. Thank you. Hare Krishna.